Are you considering working in Japan? Whether you're a programmer, engineer, or business professional, mastering the right set of skills can make all the difference. So let's dive into what set of skills can help you to succeed in the Japan market. Japan's tech industry is booming and certain languages are in high demand. Java is still very popular for enterprise solutions, and others like Python or Ruby are essential for AI and web development. So if you want to be successful in the Japan market, honing your skills in languages such as these is going to be very important. But working in Japan is more than just about technical skills. Communication here often emphasizes subtlety and respect. For instance, mastering honne, true feelings, or tatemae, public facade, can help you navigate workplace relationships. And yes, proper use of keigo, polite and respectful language, goes a very long way. Many global companies in Japan value bilingual professionals. And while English might be the language for daily meetings, Japanese fluency is going to be very important for daily operations and building your rapport with your colleagues. So finding the right balance is key. So, whether it's programming skills, cultural understanding, or language balance, preparing yourself with these skills will help set you up for success here in Japan. Ready to take the leap? Start building your skills today.